guys, so today I was inspired by spring and summer and how the weather is slightly turning hotter, so I decided to create this beautiful orange look that isn't so hard and could be everyday wear and it could be very glam. So I hope you like it and watch the rest of this video for the tutorial. I have already prepped my skin with some sunscreen and primer, so I'm ready to go with foundation. But before that, I'm going to tie up my hair because otherwise it will get in my way. I'm going to apply some foundation very lightly all over my face. I realize I look like I'm swiping the foundation, but I'm actually tapping it in with the sponge. It's just that I sped up the video. Also, make sure to blend the foundation into your hairline or as close as possible, and make sure to blend down your neck as well. Next, I'm going to take some concealer and warm it up on the back of my hand. This way the product can apply so much more smoothly and blend easily into your skin. I'm going to take a blending brush to blend it in because it is more precise. I'm also going to take some on my hand to blend it more seamlessly. Another reason for me using an eyeshadow blending brush is because of the preciseness, and you can control where it goes, so it prevents from settling in the creases. When applying the product, try tapping it in first before swiping, because then it will disrupt the coverage of the product. Then I'm using a sponge I apply my foundation to press everything in so it's more seamless. Next, I'm going to lightly powder my face. I focus the powder mainly around my T-zone, and the remaining product goes around the rest of the face. Now I'm going to take some bronzer and warm up my face. I'm taking the same brush as my setting powder because this way this can diffuse the pigments in the bronzer so it's not too harsh. Next, I'm going to take a blush and rosy up my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take some highlighter and highlight the high points of my face. Now I'm going to spray my face to retain some hydration. This way, the face is less powdery and dry. Next, I'm going to do my brows using some brow cream. To fill my brows from the back to the front, because this way there's less pigment and it's not a permanent marker brow. I've prepped my eyes with eye primer, so now we're going to go into the eyeshadow palette and start our look. I'm going to use a big packing brush and dip into the top right hand corner shade and pack it over the bottom of my lids. Next, I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush and dip into this beautiful orange mango shade and blend it out. Next, I'm going to take this dark brown and define the outer edges. Taking the same shade from the top, I'm going to darken the outer edges. Now, taking this mango shade again, I'm going to use the same flat brush and smoke out the underlash. Smoke out the bottom lashes. No, smoke out the bottom eye. Huh? Taking the same flat brush, I'm going to take this beautiful orange shade and smoke out the under eyes. Now I'm going to take this single shadow from Colourful, which is a red shimmer, and place it in the center of my eyes. Now I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner and draw out a very subtle wing liner. after using a black felt tip liner to do my wing, I'm going to use a brown gel liner and just darken the inner corners and do half of my waterline just to make it more intense. I'm going to repeat this on the other eye. Done! Now, to amp the look up, I'm going to use some of Stila's Magnificent eyeshadows in the shade Wanderlust and put on the inner corner of my eye to highlight it. Make sure you work quickly with this product because it really does dry down quite fast. Look at that, that looks so pretty on the inner corners and I love it. To finish off the eye look, I'm going to take my highlighter and highlight the brow bones. Done with the eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara and the look will be complete. Eyes are complete. Now the final step, I'm going to do my lips. Because the eyes I think are quite dramatic, I'm going to keep the lips slightly less intense. So I'm going to apply some lip balm. Next I'm taking the Pat McGrath lipstick in the shade Flesh 3 and applying a very smaller palette on the center of my lips. And because I applied lip balm, it is going to be sheared out rather than completely matte and intense, which is what I want. I'm going to spray my face once again and the look is complete. I then use my sponge to press all the mist into my face so it is fully absorbed. And now this look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and learned something or will try out this look yourself. I think it is pretty easy. It could be very glamorous or it could be very simple, depends on how you want the colors to look, how intense you want it to be, but it was really fun to create and I think it's quite perfect for the spring summertime because it is so like bright, citrusy, and I don't know, this palette just always reminds me of oranges even though it is topaz, so I thought this would be perfect. And yeah, it's pretty simple, it's pretty easy, and I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you tune in for more in the future, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!